Look at this slide. In this slide, a wireless USB security will be designed to deliver the same level of security as wired USB. Okay, we know that in wired USB we are going to simply plug in our device via USB device to the host, so that we know that the connection is between the pen drive, particular pen drive and the host, right? But in the case of wireless USB device, if you are keeping one wireless USB device in that within that host range, then automatically connect deduction will happen, and every the data can transfer between host and device. Everything may happen, right?
Generally, we can say that the wireless USB or wireless method is faster than the physical connection mode. Is it?
How you are telling that the faster?
Since wireless will happen and at the speed of, we can assume, as a light, because can we assume so that wireless is a faster medium than wired medium?
So
It's a
you mean
query.
that
It's a
you
query
mean that
from my side. Whether
no. Just you think about that. Yeah, according I think you are thinking in that way. If wireless means every data will transfer at the speed of light. If it is in that, if we consider your case, then what will happen to other? Just imagine FMs, FM radio stations and all. They are operating with the range of 88 to 108 megahertz. We know all these things. Is it happening at the light of speed? Speed of light? Sorry.
may not be speed of light, but approximately
In that
up to
case,
that speed.
uh, uh, just I think you have imagined that if the communication is happening over the air means definitely it will be in the speed of light. So I don't think so. It's a right statement, right? Are you getting?
My simple question is that whether wireless is fast or wired connection is fast. Which system is faster?
Wireless connection is first. Can you justify your answer?
Wireless is transmitting through wideband medium. That means frequency is high, then speed high, then wide, and the more data is transferred from wired is large than wireless.
Then okay. Then what's your idea? Generally, wired and wireless. Bijan?
I don't.
Okay, so
What is the actual answer?
yeah, actually, in wireless USB also, if uh, look at this diagram, um, this is a host range. Okay, host range. If you consider the radius is 10 meters, 10 meters radius circle. Okay, if you are keeping your device in that boundary at the 10 meter radius boundary, then it will transmit at the rate of I don't know exact figure. I will tell one more scenario. If we are keeping our wireless USB device at the distance of 3 meters, 3 meters, then it will transmit at the 480 megabits per second. But if you are keeping your device at the radius of 10 meters, then definitely that speed will be the less than that of 3 meter distance.
How
So
come?
from that you can
What's the logic behind this? That when the device is somewhat more distant, far
this
away,
is
the speed will get reduced. How?
all these things we can derive from the fundamental distance calculation formula, right? How you will calculate the speed?
No, since it's
You
transferring
just
at this,
simply tell the formula for speed.
it's not about the speed. It was
How
it
we can calculate
is
the speed?
about the transmitting of the host. Since host is transmitting or device is transmitting signal, then how come it will come to know that the device or host to which I am sending signal is that much distant apart, and I should send the data at this speed?
No, it's all about distance. Distance is a matter.
Since
j-
host is sending signal as you are showing in that
I
diagram.
will explain you. You just simply tell what is this formula for speed. How you will calculate the speed of a particular vehicle, for example.
It's distance upon time.
Yeah, distance by time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, in that case, you simply correlate this formula with that wired and wireless medium. Distance is a matter, right? Even it is a wired medium or wireless medium.
Obviously.
Then
Okay.
no, we can't conclude like that.
Obviously, wireless will be faster medium.
Yeah, it's all depends on the bandwidth and all, right? No, we can't simply say that this is fast. We have to consider bandwidth parameter, time, speed. That is what I am trying to say. Yeah, I'm not getting your question.
Wired is also fast. Then why we go for wireless?
Look at here. How many wires are going there between the projector and the audio mixer and all, right? If you want to eliminate all these wired connections, you want to simply keep your devices near to the host. Automatically, the connection will establish and everything will happen, right? Instead of having all these extra interconnections, right? So this is a concept behind that. Then
So we can assume it as a benefit that one host can drive several devices at a time when it's within its range. Is it like that?
yeah, this is a basic funda of wireless USB. Wired USB also. Single host will going to drive all the devices, maximum of 127
I
devices.
think the speed is ultra wideband using in BSc
Right,
wireless USB.
right.
So imagine the speed is also
Yeah,
in
yeah, as I
gigabit or
told earlier,
megabit range.
right? If you are using the bandwidth your bandwidth is very high, then it's obvious that the speed also will be higher.
So I think wireless USB is much more speed than
Wired USB. Okay, come back to this slide. Wireless USB security will be designed to deliver the same level of security as wired USB. Okay, here we are in wired USB concept. We are using cable, okay, to transmit our data. So there, the cable will protect the data, but in the case of wireless, we have to add some extra fields in that packet so that it will give some security, right? So cable ends defines user's connection choice. Here we know that the connection is between this host and this device. In the case of cable, wired USB. But here we can't say that this is a connection. By looking at the host and device, we can't say that now the connection is between this device and this host.